Get it off your pretty face and get it on mine. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. You want to wait till I finish mine intro before you step in there, little girl? Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, and
Maddie.
And this is Papa's Kitchen, another episode. And look what we got. Hooters sauce, that's right. And we're going to try the 3 Mile Island. And the other thing on top of that is we're going to bread them right there. This came in from Amazon. It's supposed to come in tomorrow. She happened to be here today, and it came in today. Go figure that one out. This thing that Booger made me buy, Cajun flip and fry. Aha, we're going to bread it in that. You've never used this, have you? You got to shake, 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 shake. Shake that booty, shake that booty. So now's the time to use the Cajun flip and fry. I'll leave a link down there below for this one. We take the Hooters wing breading, because we're going to bread these. We don't want naked wings. And we're going to go right in there like that. Put that on top of it. We got some wings. We're going to throw those wings in there. Actually, I'm going to take half of these back out because they're big. And then I'm going to have Maddie, for the first time ever, shake her up. Yeah. So the camera wasn't on. We got it now. Flip and fry. Flip. All right, shake it up and down. You know, if you'd ever watched Booger, you'd know how to do this. Okay, open that up. Let's see what it looks like. Look at that breading. Booger's going to be proud. Now what you want to do is you want to shake it and get the breading down. All right, let's put these in there in the air fryer. Look at that goodness. She did a fantastic job. First time breading like that, right? Yeah. Check that out. That breading did awesome. That flip and fry did awesome. All right, so I just watched Booger's video from, where you at? I just watched Booger's video from 2016 because I just put in Booger 500 US Hooters wings and it popped up. I left her a comment. Yeah. And she said it took 30 minutes. So what we're going to do is, you know, you want your chicken to be 165 temperature, right? 165? So what I'm going to do is we're going to go 15 minutes. So we're going to go over here. We're going to put it for 15 minutes. We're going to come back and we're going to find out what the temp is at on a DeLonghi air fryer after 15 minutes. All right, let's go. Put it down. Turn it on. We're on a 4 and we got it on. And then we're going to put the 3 Mile Island. And we're going to do a taste test with it. Ain't we? Yeah. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Let's see what we got. Got 132. I'm going to go ahead and spray it. Get the tops of them a little bit. They're looking really good. They smell fantastic. This is my Evo spray that Booger made me buy. Yeah. All right. We'll go another 15 and we'll be back. Check that out. Man, these breaded wings, they smell fantastic, don't they?
Yeah.
They look awesome. They smell fantastic. And so much that Maddie said, leave 2 of them plain. She wants to eat them plain. Papa eats plain wings all the time. I go to Wingco and I get them as a snack. We're going to pop them over here into this bowl. They'll be right back and we're going to show you us flip them around in the 3 Mile Island. And we'll do a taste test. Be right back. Hooters wing sauce, 3 Mile Island. This is going to be awesome. We're making 2 cooks today, so I can only put half. Actually, a little less than half. Well, I guess it was half. Now we take it. If I can do this without getting messed up, you're supposed to flip them.
It smells like the Frank's bread.
They're supposed to flip. Check that out. Are you in the video, baby? No? Yeah! Uncle Steve's shirt. Check that out, y'all. Check it out. Okay, so you wanted one plain. Just take a little bite off of that. And then we're going to try 3 Mile. Look at the camera right here.
Mm.
What do you think? You know, I think the breaded wings are really cool. There you go. We're fixing to try the 3 Mile. It's not as hot as they claim. To me. Is it hot to you?
Look at him.
I mean, it is hot. But jump back up here. Oh, you need a drink? It's a little hot. It is real hot. She thinks it's real hot, so I'm gonna go with this. I think the breaded without any seasoning on it is awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Put this on wing. And don't add anything else. It's fantastic. Now, 3 Mile High was pretty hot, wasn't it? But just the breaded without anything else, nothing else, was pretty good, wasn't it? That's our review of the 3 Mile Island Hooters wings. It's Papa Texas. See ya. It's Betty. Y'all can't see her. There she is. Do your thumbs up again. Yeah. See y'all. Peace. Hit that bell.